Just to see Yeonju.
Oh. Oh, show her raccoon.
Oh, raccoon. Go to the raccoon.
This thing that stripper pose. What?
She likes her when she's 25. Ew.
Why
She doesn't like me. She loves you. She doesn't.
I'm lost.
This girl that's just freaking.
She looks like she got beat up.
She looks like.
Oh, this girl.
Look at her.
She's so
She
weird.
wants to do a stripper pole on you?
No, that's just what she does.
That's what this means for Carlo.
No.
Oh no, Carl.
No, it doesn't.
Wait, she wants
And she
to?
thinks she's cute. 25. Look at her.
She looked beat up, like with black eyes.
Yeah, she does.
She doesn't hurt. She does.
Oh, what the?
No, yeah, that was her Halloween costume. She was
Some descendant of Twee.
I was about to say that. Like, her resemble Twee. Wait, is this getting recorded?
It's not.
Oh my god. Looks like her whole face
What
collapsed.
did she do? Did she go like this to you, Carl?
Oh, I don't even see her in real life. I just like chat.
Frankie!
Chat with like
I don't know. Well, I don't know.
Oh, madame.
How did you meet her?
Oh, I met her through like one of my friends, and then like she was best friends with her, and then like they don't talk anymore.
You went to her house.
Yeah, it was like some sort of party thing, but it was funny.
She did it. He did it with her.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did.
We should move over there. It's more
Okay, yeah,
Christmassy
yeah.
over there. And let's.
And more. That's Filipino.